Welcome to the miracle of nature.
Discover the power of natural healing.
This small seed holds centuries of power.
Nutmeg, ancient, mysterious, and medicinal.
It was born in the Spice Islands.
Specifically, the Banda Islands of Indonesia.
Nutmeg once shaped global trade.
Nations fought wars to control it.
It is the seed of Myristica fragrans.
A tropical evergreen tree species.
It contains myristicin and essential oils.
Plus antioxidants that protect cells.
Antioxidants fight oxidative stress.
They reduce cellular damage over time.
It may support immune resilience.
By reducing inflammatory pressure.
Traditionally used for digestion.
It may ease bloating gently.
It can relax intestinal muscles.
Supporting smoother digestive movement.
Nutmeg influences the nervous system.
In small amounts, it may calm tension.
It is often used before sleep.
Warm milk with a tiny pinch.
Compounds interact with brain chemistry.
Influencing neurotransmitter balance gently.
It may elevate mild low moods.
Without acting as a medication.
Some studies explore hormonal influence.
Evidence remains early and limited.
It may support healthy circulation.
Through mild vasodilatory properties.
Cellular energy depends on balance.
Antioxidants help maintain that balance.
Tip 1. Use very small amounts.
A pinch is completely enough.
About 1/8 teaspoon maximum.
Never exceed culinary quantities.
Tip 2. Use fresh grated nutmeg.
Fresh form preserves volatile oils.
Tip 3. Combine with warm liquids.
It enhances aroma and comfort.
High doses can be toxic.
Excess may cause nausea or dizziness.
Use responsibly. Myristicin affects the nervous system.
Large amounts stress the body. Avoid overuse.
Pregnant individuals should avoid excess.
Consult a professional if unsure.
Ayurveda valued nutmeg deeply.
As a warming digestive spice.
Modern research is ongoing.
Results show promising potential.
It may reduce mild inflammation.
Due to antioxidant activity.
It has antimicrobial properties.
Traditionally used in oral care.
Use occasionally, not daily.
Moderation protects your body.
Balanced metabolism requires stability.
Nutmeg supports overall equilibrium.
Spices connect us to history.
And to the rhythm of nature.
Natural does not mean unlimited.
Respect the dose and purpose.
Tradition meets modern science.
Together, they guide wise use.
Nutmeg supports digestion and calm.
And offers antioxidant protection.
Power lives in small things.
When used with wisdom.
Explore nature with awareness.
And learn before you consume.
Nature whispers powerful secrets.
Welcome to the miracles of nature.
To buy good quality nutmegs, click on the link given in the comment section below. If this video increased your knowledge, like, share, and comment below.
And take care of your channel. Bye-bye.